Okay. It's time to go. Okay. It's time to get to the money for real. It's time to get to helping people seriously. All that just wanting to fill up your pockets and con people, that day and time is over. Okay. This is where you come to really learn how to sell. Now, I got some great key points on objective right now on this board. Okay. And if you've been having problems closing people, if you've been having problems not hitting the right points when you talking to people, we about to solve that. Okay. So first thing first, this is going to help. This right here is going to help. I don't care what you selling, where you selling it at, how you selling it, belly to belly, online, over the phone, cold calling, etc., etc. I don't care where you selling it. The buyer can potentially have an objective. Okay. They can have an objective to have an objection. Now that's the problem. You got a lot of people is very iffy on if they're going to buy from certain people. Okay. So their objective is to figure out, is this person worth buying from? Is this person worth me spending my hard earned money? Okay. So they might have some objections that will come up, and only thing they are trying to see is it the value of what I'm about to spend. Is it worth what I'm about to spend? Not enough value. Okay. That's what they trying to see. Is it valuable? Is it worth the amount? So let's break this down. Okay. So right here, what they really mean, this is what they really mean. Okay. They don't got no urgency at all. If you got somebody that hit you with some objections like, I don't know, let me think about it. I don't know. I need to talk it over with my wife. I just don't know yet. I need some time. Right? No trust at all. They don't trust you yet. Because when they trust you, they're going to be like, you know what? Yeah, that's right. I need this problem solved today. Do you take card? Can I pay you in cash? You take Vimo? You got a cash app? They ready to throw you their money as fast as possible when you have trust built up. Okay. Another thing, no value at all. They don't see the value in it yet. So they talking to you to see, how can you make this more valuable to them? What can you tell them to build up their trust with you, to make it more valuable to them and to get to trust you more? Okay. So you got to get them super excited about whatever you selling, product or service, doesn't matter. Got to get them excited, get them hyped up, make sure you stand on what you believe in, because once you believe in it, you can get them to believe in it. Okay. That's the deepest part. This right here is the key formula to any objection. I don't care what it is. You break this down bit by bit, you can overcome any of it. I don't care what it is. Okay. Now your job, this is your job. This is what people be missing. Increase the value of the product or the service that you are selling. Increase the value of it. Tell them, increase that pain, like really dig on that pain, right? When you increase the value, you going over and over their pain, what they done told you, what they done presented to you, and you let them know you have the pain pill for their solution. You have it. Sometimes you gotta put it in their mouth and tell them swallow. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta really help them get out their way. And that's okay. That's what persuasive communication is all about in sales. If you're not able to do that, it's gonna be very hard for you to sell anything, because you gotta get them to trust you, right? Okay. So really dig on that pain. Let them know you have the pain solution, right? Boom. Hear that? Pain solution, right? letting them know you are the solution to the problem. Now, be very impact, have a deep impact on what you are selling, right? When you have that impact, you're gonna start presenting them a certain kind of way, and you're gonna see the switch in their eye. They're gonna start listening. You can see them getting excited, and then you see the trust start to build. When that trust start to build, this when you know you got them. Now you can go in for the kill. Okay. Now, this is a very critical step. Acknowledging what they are saying. I hear you. I hear you is powerful. Oh yeah, man. I get you, man. I hear you. I hear you. Repeat back what they are saying. Okay, so you saying the last time you came in and bought that product from another seller, he oversold you and it didn't hold up to what he was saying, correct? Right? Like repeat back to what they saying to you, right? Then you let them know this is what ours do. This is what my product does. This is how we can help you before and after process. This is what you're going, this is how you are now, but this is what you're going to be after, and really emphasize, put that icing on the cake when you talk about that after effect. The after effect is what every buyer is looking for. Okay. They want to know, are you on that other side of that fence? Okay. So while you talking to them, really acknowledge what they saying. I hear you. Okay. I get it. I get you. Okay. Perfect. I get you. Right. Let them talk, ask them questions within the conversation. I don't care if you typing somebody, if somebody contacted you online, like through your DM, through your email, like really asking questions what's going on. I don't care if you belly to belly with them or you done cold called them. They somehow got in touch with you. You maybe left a message, you followed up with them. I don't know. Either way, either or, always make sure you acknowledging what they are saying, letting them know you hear exactly what they're saying. Make sure you asking a ton of questions. Okay. Now, when they get to punching at you too much with objections, you got to redirect them. You got to start blocking and countering. Okay. Because if you don't block and counter, they're going to knock you out the fight. Okay. They're going to hit you with so many questions, you're just going to be knocked out the fight. So you got to get them off you. Don't let them get you on the ropes and keep on throwing haymakers on you. Got to get them off you. And the way you get them off you is redirect. Keep control of the conversation. If the conversation get weary and they start getting more control, you really going to lose the battle of going back and forth. You can be in a negotiation. You going back and forth negotiating with them. That could be very iffy, because if you lose the control in the conversation, you lose the battle. Okay. So it's not money. It's making sure it's worth it. Correct. That's if you ask them that. So it's not the money. You just want to make sure it's worth it. Correct. If they say yeah, if you can get them to say yeah to that, you can get them to say yes to that one question. One thing about humans, they don't like contradicting themselves. They don't like going back on what they said. So if you can get them to say, so it's not the money, it's making sure it's worth it. Correct. When they say yes to that, now you know price is out the door. Now you ain't got to worry about the price, because they're not going to go back and be like, oh man, it's too high. Because that's when you can bring up, now you said the price, you said the money, it ain't the money. You just making sure it's worth it. When you give them the value and you show them it's worth it, now they can move forward with you, because you got them excited. You got them to listen to you. You built trust. Now the last and not least, it's time to close them. It works every time. It works every time, just like a charm. So you start here, work the middle, close. Okay. Start, middle, finish on any objections, any of them. I don't care what it is, what come up. If they got some objections for you, this is how you handle it. Okay. Any objections equal not enough value. Point blank, period. Once you master that and you get that in your subconscious, there's no objections you cannot handle. Okay. So hope this helped you. Make sure you rewatch this, study this, go over this, take notes, write stuff down. And I'm gonna make more videos on this, but I'm glad we was able to touch on this. I got even more topics that sort of, it'll be like a full circle to this, but you really want to, this is like the first process right here. You want to really master this. Once you master this, the next piece, because it's mastery stacking. Master one thing, stack another. Master one thing, stack another. Master one thing. You just keep stacking. Okay. That's all I had for you on this video. Again, my name is Duran Peoples. Stay focused, stay blessed, and stay disciplined. Okay. I know this will help. Make sure you master this, study this, perfect this. Okay. Until the next video, I'll see you later. Peace.